Today we are taking a look at the best music to use for documentary style videos. What is up guys, this is Max Square, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite tracks to use for a documentary style video. Now I will be announcing the giveaway winners at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around, but let's go ahead and get started. Now I really love this style of music because it really will keep your project and your video moving along. Usually this is used over B-roll, maybe you have a voiceover or something, but this tends to be kind of inspiring and instrumental music, and I just love that. And so what I've actually done is I've picked over 20 of my favorite tracks and put them into one collection for you guys. Now you'll notice that a lot of these tracks are around 20 bucks, and while that may seem a lot to some people, that means that you can use this track in any kind of project. You can put it on the web, you can use it in your videos, and you don't have to worry about licensing. But you'll see that I also have a couple songs from the same artist, and that's how I found a lot of these tracks. I found a track that I really liked, and I clicked on the artist who made it, and then I just kept finding some of their other collections and tracks. And so what I would recommend is if you guys find a song that you like, definitely check out the artist because you'll probably find more songs that they've created that you like, but 90% of the time they'll have a pack that you can download which includes 3 songs, and usually that's only $10 more than buying one track. So you save a lot of money and you get 3 or 4 awesome tracks. So I would definitely recommend checking that out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a listen to these tracks.
AudioJungle.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out those tracks. I'll put a link down in the description where you can check out all of the songs because I can't show you all of them in the demo, so definitely be sure to check that out. And now the moment you have all been waiting for, the 30K giveaway winners. So just to give you some context on how I picked the winners, what I did is I put all of the email addresses in one list. I think there are about 150 of you guys, which is awesome. And then I took that list and I used a random picker website. This was completely random and very secure. Your email addresses weren't leaked or anything like that, I promise. And then I just picked you guys randomly. I just picked 3 random winners. Now this was completely equal and completely random, so everyone had a fair chance. So let's see who won. I actually have the prizes right here. So first off, we had the Blue Yeti, and that is going to be going to Kat White. So congrats, Kat. I will be sending this out to you very soon. Next up, we have the Blue Snowball. This is going out to Andrew Ang. So congrats, Andrew. You'll be receiving the Blue Snowball. Now the third prize was a $25 Amazon gift card. That's just going to be digital, but that's going out to Wooter Betton. Now I'm really sorry if I messed up any of those 3 names, but congrats to all of you guys. And to the rest of you guys who did not win, thank you so much for participating. I will definitely be doing more giveaways in the future, so be sure to stay subscribed and tuned for the next videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and participating in my 30,000 subscribers milestone. You've all been such a huge support over the years, and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.